Wait. Hey, my cereal. So, I've been doing the slime a lot lately because it's super easy to make. And this is the stuff that you need. A spoon, cup, shampoo, cornstarch. So you're the one that's making the mess. You don't need a cup. You could use a bowl if you want. Then you're gonna take your cornstarch. Grab your spoon and put as much cornstarch as you want. I mean, I did do a video for it for homemade Lovin, but there was a bunch of crumbs everywhere and someone kept running around and their shadow was on the camera and they kept yelling at me like, move the camera. Okay, then you put some shampoo in it.
You mix it.
Then you mix it. If it doesn't come together, put more shampoo in. Don't put more cornstarch in, or else it's just gonna be more floury and it won't stick together. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, if I make a mess, blame it on Pika. See me? Can you see me? Well, it's not like slime. It's like Play-Doh. But first, it's gonna be really hard to like knead and dough, knead and dough, knead and dough. There's a kneady doughy going on here. Ba ba da ba ba ba. So you guys can make this whenever you want. Just grab your cornstarch and take your mother's shampoo and say, Mother, I'm gonna use this shampoo for something even more important. Play-Doh.
Guess where I'm gonna plug the vacuum into.
She put it right there.
That mirror.
She should have put it there, but instead she put it up there.
You made no sense.
We are going to the library. If you guys want to see how to make eraser clay, I just made it. We will be at the library in 3, 2, 1. Where are we?
At the park. We didn't go to the library because
I didn't teleport us there.
The boy.
Just barely got here. I just teleported ourselves here. Maybe I teleported or like switched her attitude. Hey, it's dried. I want to touch it, but I'm scared. I'm touching it! I have a new way of teleporting. I had to go in like that. I had to go all the way in like that, and then look, more how. I'm gonna close the vlog right now. Like and subscribe, and tell me how you like our vlogs down in the links below.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Oh, give us a thumbs up. Just always be positive and never negative. If you guys want to know if you guys are positive, you will see your favorite color in the room. Right now, I see my favorite color.
Black.
No.
Blue?
See that blue? Take a turquoise blue. My mom likes the color yellow, and whenever she's happy, she always sees a butterfly, a yellow butterfly. Killian's favorite color, he's wearing it right now, and it's my favorite color, blue.
Mine too.
Mamie's wearing pink. Pika
I'm wearing blue.
If you're negative, then everyone around you will be negative, and then they're not gonna want to like play with you. Okay, so always be positive. Okay. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.